how did I manage to deliver something in only a small amount of time? It was I have to thank the Copilot, because thanks to Copilot, there are some minor details that are not present in the documentation, but they need to happen before you can successfully sign the document. And one of the things, it was answered to me from Copilot. There is a part of this integration that requests you to get a consent. It's a programmatic call that is not part of the sample code. It's not part of the documentation.
Mhm.
And when I started receiving those errors, Stack Overflow also didn't have the answer. Stack Overflow used to be our like source of truth, right?
Mhm.
Anyone in the world should have this problem before me. I'm not a special guy. In this case, I didn't find the answer. So, hey, Copilot, help me. And it gave me, okay, it's not working because this. You have to make this call before you can sign the document, you know? So it was, I would, in like 10 years ago, I would easily spend like an entire week doing that integration. With the help of Copilot, it was like an afternoon, because it parsed the documents in a way that it was tailored to my need.
Mhm.
All that I needed to do, and this is not a soft skill, it requires some level of experience,
Mhm.
is making sure you are doing right questions. So you need to be good at the prompt. You good prompt is first
Mhm.
thing,
Mhm.
and you need to, okay, this is the answer. What do there is of interpret, right? So this is the amazing thing about Copilot. But this is only the like infancy of the tool. I think we will get better really fast.
Yes, I think this is the point. You know, it started getting better really fast. You know, and of course, Copilot can do all this stuff. But you said something very important. You knew what you want to achieve. You knew how the code looks like, if the code looks like good enough for you, or if it's a good code enough, it's good enough for your company, like in terms of standards and all stuff. You know, it's not only like getting an integration; it's getting production ready code, right? That's what we're
Yes.
looking for here, right?
Mhm.
Production ready code in high quality. That's what we software engineers are looking for, and I can see, like in my experience here with Copilot, and probably in with all other AI tools we have here, is that these AIs doesn't give like high quality code right away, even
Mhm.
not correct code right away. But you need to interact a little. So that's what I think it's wrong with deving. You
Mhm.
don't interact, right? They are really trying to remove the person, the engineer from the
Mhm.
equation. I can imagine a moment that I'm not not only writing code, but I'm orchestrating lots of AIs
Mhm.
running. They are doing code like I'm a tech lead of junior engineers that I can't allow this right stuff alone, but just sometimes go and, oh no, don't do that, and
Mhm.
and they are starting writing most of the code, and then I say, okay, improve the code coverage of this test. Oh no, this is not following this standard. Use this example here as a standard, and soon they I am doing like 10 times my productivity. Of
Mhm.
course, currently we don't get there because it's, like, as you said, still infancy, right?
Mhm.
But I think we're going to get there. And if you want to stay as software engineer, you need to follow the wave, and you need to, well, use the tools and get used to these tools, and to be better, to stay in the best roles, in the best paid